Okurya kuba mu bana kwongera endwara ya mutuku hamwe na TB okurugerera abahangombi amagara amakamingi omu kyanga ekya Kigezi nibari omuri ogu mumwizoba obwe bari kurya ebyokurya bitarimu biriisa ebirikwombeka kurungi omubiri nk'emondi, ebiribwa, ebitekere, ebitookye, muhogo hamwe n'omuceeri kwonka baremwa kwesya ebyokurya ebirikukuza omubiri hamwe n'okukingira endwara.
Pediatric Ward of Kabale Regional Referral Hospital, malnutrition carries the most common cause of admissions. Some of these children have been reported to have had tuberculosis. However, we didn't know the magnitude, the factors, and the outcome of these children with tuberculosis and severe acute malnutrition. Therefore, this study determined the prevalence, treatment facts, and treatment outcome among these children. So the objectives were to determine the prevalence of TB among children severe acute malnutrition aged 2 to 59 months. Admitted at the Pediatric Ward Kabale Regional Referral Hospital, we also determined the factors associated and their treatment outcome.
Abahangu nibagira ngo ebyokurya birikukuza gy'omubiri birimu ebinyobwa, ebihimba, obusaza, empocha, simusima hamwe n'enyama kandi ebirikukingira endwara birimu emboga z'ekiraguju hamwe n'ebijuma bya buri kika. Okurugira Dr. Patricia Ajambo omukugu w'emirire n'eminywere nagira ngo okukyondooza okukozerwa nikworeka ngu abantu omu kyanga ekya Kigezi nibarya kubi ngu kandi kyahikaho abaana nibabaha ebyokurya by'omuringo gumwe ekibareetiire bayanga kukura bakahika n'aha kurwara mutuku.
We have tried to investigate, and the major cause is that people do not have food. Actually, they do not have food. For example, in the ward, sometimes we have a chat with these mothers. For example, when they're having meals, we find a mother is giving a child food like Irish, like 2 Irish, and 1 bean or 2 beans with a lot of soup, which is like water. That is basically carbohydrates. There's no protein, there's no fat. This child needs proteins for their cells to grow. For the thymus to function, it needs proteins, it needs fat. The cell one needs fat, but they do not have food.
Dr. Richard Mugayi Adier orukomishona kandi omukugu omu by'amagara g'abaana hamwe n'okuzarisa akihamize ngu omwana omwe aha baana bashatu omu kyanga ekya Kigezi n'abaine mutuku.
Amaani munonga mu kurya kw'abaana ninga ekitweta malnutrition. Okurya kubi abaana biito omuri Kigezi kandi ekishashasha munonga ahabw'okuba Kigezi hiine ebyokurya bingi muri abantu bakuhinga ebyokurya tebye sente nyingi konka twashanga ngo abaana omwe ari bashatu hariyo abaana bashatu omwe n'abaine severe acute malnutrition. Ababya research bakyorekire ngo abaana nibarya kubi tebakurya ebyokurya birimu protein.
Mugahi nagira ngo nubwo abantu omu kyanga eki biine ebyokurya bingi konka tibarikumanya oku biine kubikoresa okugasira amagara gaabo n'okumanya ngu biine kurya balanced diet.
Twasharaho mu rukiiko orwo rutwire biro bibiri nza kukora n'amaani ayitwa by'amagara tukoragine abakao tukoragine n'aba agriculture turaba mu parish development model kureba nti ezi sub counties abana babakurga abana bakwija mu marwaro biine malnutrition twatamwa amaani kureba ngo abana babarisage oburwire bwo kurya tobukuteeta omu irwaro.
Dr. Jamba kishoborire gye kurungi ngu abaana 30 harigana abarikuza omu irwaro rya Kabale Regional Referral Hospital nibaba bagiire kuraguza mutuku erikurugaho ekabareetera n'okurwara endwara ya TB.
So we had 2 case definitions of tuberculosis based on bacteriological and or clinical evaluation, where bacteriologically confirmed TB case was the patient who had positive urine TB lump and or positive stool gene expert. Then clinically diagnosed TB case was a patient who met the World Health Organization criteria for clinical diagnosis of childhood tuberculosis.
Dr. Jambo nagira ngo abana bato bakirizeyo kurwara mutuku abo kuburebirisa ebirumu ebirungi byo kubarinda endwara no kubakuza gye.
So the factors that were independent associated with tuberculosis included history of TB contact, signs of vitamin D deficiency, having a peasant farmer as a caregiver, and the child having pneumonia on admission.
If children do not feed well, they will not even perform well in class. They can grow up in size, but they do not perform well in class. It's called stunting. The brain the brain retards in its growth. So that is an identified area that we really need to attack.
Ichanga cha kigezi ni chumwa byange bitungirwa kakumu omukulisa kuba bana bituwa hikumchange chinorebe mitinya mwinji ya Karutus hamwe na Pachura eshwekere enshozi n'empanga ekirukoreka ngo tubakine mataka go kuhingamo ebyo kurya ebyino mugasho abantu abarukutura omuchange eki.